In front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Start by opening settings and scrolling down to reach safety and emergency here. Then you need to tap on emergency contacts. Select add contact and click on the one you wish to set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you want to change order of your contacts on the list, hit Reorder at the top right corner, hold one, and drag it to the proper place. Then let go, and after adjusting your list, save your changes by clicking at the top right corner. To delete any contacts from your list, just use this X next to the one you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!